Alright guys, I got this with map gas. I got my Miller 220 out, or my Miller 180, sorry, and I got everything set up, so we'll see how this goes. Alright everybody, well it's 1:30 in the afternoon. I spent half the day trying to get out one bolt and it's just not going anywhere. My first attempt to heating the area up and welding a nut to the I don't know if you can see it, there you go. Yeah, focus Mr. Camera. Maybe. There you go. Yep, snapped right off. My second attempt, when I drilled a hole through the center of the bolt and welded a huge puddle onto it, snapped a little bit below the bolt. So now it's impossible to get out. So what I went and did is I went and got one of these 21/64, sorry, and I got one of these. I'm gonna drill the son of a bitch out and put the helicoil kit in. Kind of should have done that in the very beginning, but yeah, that bolt ain't going nowhere. I'm just gonna have to drill it out. Spent half the day trying to take care of one bolt. Oh well, it's no big deal. It's not the end of the world, but still super annoying. I'm losing a bunch of time. I'm trying to get back to work tomorrow morning, but I don't think it's going to happen at this point. I may have to do home admin and somehow try to do IT work from my laptop and fix my van at the same time, which is going to be a pain in the neck. So, alright, that's where I am right now. I'll see everybody later. Alright guys, I'm on the home stretch now. I got the water pump in. I got the new bypass hose and the new heater core hose in there. I'm going to replace the upper section as well here in just a few seconds just to get it over with. And I'm going to be on the home stretch. I just have to reinstall all the pulleys and install the radiator and I'll be good to go. Alrighty. Can't believe it took me a full day for that bolt. Holy jeez. Can't believe the level of holy shittery and what the fuck-ism I went through just for that. Okay.